Hello and welcome to South Coast Level Crossings. Here we are at Barnes, and one of the crossings has just gone down. Fantastic. Okay, we are now waiting for a Southwestern Railway service to Charlie 29 if you're interested. London Waterloo to Reading, non-stop through Barnes Station. Hello there. How you doing? Alright, that was a pair of the class 458 heading towards Reading, and it looks like the route has been set for a train.
The steam train coming?
There's not a steam train coming, unfortunately,
Oh, really?
no.
There were a couple the other day.
Oh right, yes.
A couple of weeks ago, yeah.
Yeah, very good. There's like a load more trains than usual through here today.
Oh, right.
Because there's an engineering works near Woking. Go from Woking and I go through here.
So it's just normal trains?
Normal trains, yeah.
They're still pretty good.
Yeah. Have a good day. Okay, nice one. So the next train is to Uniform 28, I think. Yes, 2U28. Southwestern Railway service from Windsor and Eater Riverside to London Waterloo, currently in between Mortlake and North Sheen.
We used to go like work Those are the good old days, that one. Yeah, mate. Well, I'm trying to compare. I'm trying to get one started with all. And now's the time to go again, isn't it?
They are to Uniform 28 is past Mortlake, so it won't be long until it's here. So yeah, a pair of 455 class trains there, and that should be the last train for a while. Nice one, thank you very much for watching. I shall see you in the next video.